Hey there, I'm Julie Golob with Smith&Wesson, and I have a quick concealed carry ammo tip for you. When you unload your semi-auto carry gun, remember to rotate your ammo. What do I mean? Instead of just returning that round to your magazine, set it aside, unload your mag, and rotate that round to the bottom. Constantly loading the same round into your chamber when you do make your gun hot can shorten that round over time, seating the bullet deeper and deeper into the case and increasing pressure. Not a good thing. Unloading your carry ammo mag allows you to inspect your ammunition and also the magazine itself to make sure it's clean and serviceable.